So, the Samsung Galaxy S20, Samsung's flagship device of the year 2020 and a successor to the Samsung S10 from 2019. What is up guys, my name is Izzy and welcome to my channel. So today I'm reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S20, not the Plus, not the Ultra, just the S20. I had the privilege of using this device for about a week and I have to say it's a sleek and worthy upgrade to the S10 and a very impressive device. Before we get on with this video, if you have not already, please click on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. I'm going to leave timestamps in the description so you can skip to any section of this video. So let's get on with the video. First, an unboxing. This variant has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Color option here is Cosmic Grey. Sadly, no 5G for this variant. You get a TPU protective casing and the usual documents. A 25W fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and your AKG earphones. That's just about everything in the box. With the Samsung Galaxy S20, Samsung maintained the curved glass design on the back of their flagships with a change in the camera arrangements. Both front and back of this device has the Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The display is not as curved as the previous model, and this time we have a center hole punch for the selfie camera. The rear camera arrangement on the S20 has been moved to the left and it has a bump, which by the way, it works on a flat surface. But it's really got nothing on the design. Everything about the Samsung Galaxy S20 screams premium. To the far bottom of the device, we have a single button firing stereo speaker, a USB-C port and microphone. At the top, we have a dual hybrid SIM slot with support for micro SD card should you need to expand your storage, and supports up to 1TB of storage. We have the volume and power keys on the right. The power key also doubles as a Bixby button. It can also be remapped. There is no buttons on the left side. The Samsung Galaxy S20 has an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is quite responsive. It comes with an updated One UI 2 and Android 10 right out of the box. The S20 series comes with a 120Hz screen refresh rate, which is one of the major selling points of these devices. Honestly, 120Hz is a better experience firsthand than actually seeing it on video. You may not notice it at first, but when you switch back from 120Hz to 60Hz, you would actually feel the difference. But however, 120Hz is not available past 1080p display, and when 120Hz is enabled, it drains battery a lot faster. A small price to pay because you may want to actually have the full experience of 120Hz. The Samsung Galaxy S20, like previous Samsung flagships, has that stunning dynamic AMOLED display, always a beauty to behold. At 6.2 inches, I feel the Samsung Galaxy S20 is the perfect size out of the Ultra and the Plus. This is actually my favorite variant. Let's see a summary of the specifications. So, the cameras. A 10MP selfie camera and a triple rear camera setup with 12MP main camera, 64MP telephoto and 12MP ultra wide. Unlike the S20 Ultra with a 100x zoom, this is only capable of up to 30x zoom. But let's be honest, you will barely ever need to zoom up to 30x to actually take a shot. It's just for show off, which is not bad by the way, so just ignore me. The Samsung Galaxy S20 takes stunning photographs on both the main and ultra wide cameras with very good dynamic range. The selfie camera, however, is a little disappointing. The photos are great, but it softens the image too much and it loses detail. You may actually find that a screenshot preserves more detail than the actual processed photo. Low light and night mode photography is great and very much improved. Another major selling point of the S20 is 8K video recording. Very impressive and the footage is crispy clear. This feature will be most useful to creators though, or if you want to take shots from the video. Pointless if it's just for social media because it will be compressed anyway. It also shoots 4K 60 frames per second on the rear and front facing cameras with optical image stabilization and also super steady at 1080p. 4K 60 FPS on the front-facing camera. This looks very good. Very good. Colors, high dynamic range is awesome. Live focus video. Now let's talk about the capacity of the Samsung Galaxy S20 for gaming. With 8GB of RAM and a Mali G77 GPU for the Exynos variant, the Samsung Galaxy S20 is more than capable of handling any games you throw at it, even at their maximum settings. Graphics is also top-notch, and with online games, as long as you have good internet connection, you can expect a smooth experience. 4000 mAh battery is decent enough for a full day use, even when the 120Hz refresh rate is enabled. So that's the review, guys. The Samsung Galaxy S20 is a fantastic smartphone and it's actually my favorite of the S20 lineup, and also a worthy successor to the Samsung Galaxy S10. Do I think it is peak smartphone? I think we're very close. It has a fantastic design. It has good specifications, but we're not quite there yet. What is your idea and definition of peak smartphone? Let us have a discussion in the comment section. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to always wash your hands and stay safe. Peace.